In the silent corners of the cosmos, the James Webb Space Telescope found something unexpected. A mystery that began with a whisper, not a bang. An object appeared where nothing should be. It was not a star, planet, or any known celestial body. Dark, cold, and silent, it vanished as quickly as it appeared, leaving only questions in its wake. This discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. The universe, we believed, followed unbreakable rules: gravity, light, and the permanence of matter. Yet what Webb witnessed seemed to violate these laws, presenting a puzzle with no easy answers. The data told a story of chaos and impossibility, beginning in darkness and leading to deeper uncertainty. This isn't about distant galaxies or nebulae, but the profound nothingness between them. For millennia, we searched for life among the stars, but perhaps the greatest secrets lie in the darkness that surrounds them. The initial observation was almost dismissed as a glitch, but repeated sightings confirmed the impossible. In a patch of sky catalogued as barren, something absorbed light, a perfect shadow against the cosmic microwave background. Scientists could only watch, unaware they were witnessing an event that would rewrite the rules of physics. Welcome to Cosmic Discoveries, where we journey to the farthest reaches of space and time. Today's story is one of the most profound mysteries ever encountered. It reminds us that, for all we've learned, the universe still holds secrets beyond our comprehension. Our channel is a community for those who look up and feel connected to something greater. Here, we embrace the difficult questions: what is reality? Where did we come from? Are we alone? The James Webb discovery touches on all these questions, forcing us to reconsider the foundations of science. The universe humbles us, shattering our assumptions with phenomena that defy explanation. The object Webb revealed is a signpost to a new frontier of physics, where our current models may no longer apply. As we explore this enigma, let your imagination wander. What does it mean for something to exist outside our known categories? Consider the implications of an object that defies the laws of physics. This is more than a scientific puzzle. It's a philosophical one. It asks us to confront the possibility that the universe is far stranger than we imagined. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Let's begin. The James Webb Space Telescope, our most powerful eye on the cosmos, often stares at empty sky to glimpse the faintest, most distant objects. In the Eridanus supervoid, it found an anomaly, an object where none should exist. It emitted no light, reflected none, and was colder than the cosmic microwave background. This suggested it was either ancient or cooling itself by unknown means. Scientists were baffled. Every known object generates, reflects, or absorbs heat, but this was a thermal sink. Its size was estimated at several times that of Jupiter. A planetary mass object adrift in the void, colder than the universe itself. It was a contradiction, a piece that didn't fit the cosmic puzzle. The object was designated A2025E1. For weeks, astronomers trained every sensor on it, searching for clues, but it offered nothing. No radiation, no gravitational influence, just a silent, cold presence. It was a ghost in the machine, defined by its absence of known properties. The core of our astronomical knowledge was being challenged. After weeks of observation, the mystery deepened. A2025E1 simply vanished. It didn't move, explode, or fade. In a few hours it was there, then gone. The cold darkness disappeared, revealing the faint light of distant galaxies, as if nothing had ever blocked them. According to physics, this is impossible. Objects with mass can't just cease to exist. There was no burst of energy, no explosion, just presence, then absence. But something lingered. The light from behind the object bent in strange geometric patterns, not like gravitational lensing. This scar in space-time faded over days, leaving no trace. General relativity couldn't explain it. The vanishing act turned a curiosity into a crisis for physics. It's one thing to find a cold, dark object, another to see it disappear, leaving a temporary distortion in space-time. Scientists were left with contradictions: a massive object that vanished without a trace, a gravitational anomaly with no source. It was a paradox made real, playing out on a cosmic stage. We were the humbled audience. Though invisible in visible light, Webb's infrared sensors detected something else in the final hours before the object vanished. Faint heat patterns emerged. complex, geometric, and ordered, forming lattices and concentric circles across thousands of kilometers. These patterns pulsed with rhythmic energy, shifting minutely in a regular cycle. It was as if we were looking at a blueprint laid out in heat against absolute cold. No natural process could create such perfection. The patterns seemed designed. The mystery deepened. Was this object artificial? An object larger than Jupiter, built by an intelligence far beyond our own, drifting through the void. The implications were staggering. Evidence of intent, of information encoded in structure. The data was checked and rechecked. Instrument error was ruled out. The heat patterns were real, a fundamental property of the object. Scientists faced two impossible truths: a natural object violating physics, or a technological artifact beyond comprehension. Neither explanation fit our worldview. The scientific community was left in silent awe. The universe had presented a riddle with no clear answer. The enigma of A2025 E1 was only deepening. Let's consider the impossibility of what's been observed. First, an object with mass colder than the universe itself. Defying thermodynamics, it maintained extreme cold with no apparent power source. Second, it vanished from existence, violating mass energy conservation. No energy was released, it simply ceased to be. Third, the aftermath light twisted in ways mass cannot, as if space-time itself was temporarily rewritten. This suggests manipulation of space-time, a feat beyond any human technology. Finally, the structured heat patterns, complex, non-repeating, and information-rich. In nature, such order doesn't arise spontaneously, it requires a guiding force. The object presented evidence of design without a known architect. Each fact alone is extraordinary. Together, they defy everything we know. The universe, it seems, is stranger than we ever imagined. We are left searching for answers in the dark. Confronted with the impossible, scientists explored theories at the edge of reason. 1. The object was artificial, a colossal technology from a civilization that mastered physics beyond our dreams. Its coldness and disappearance could be advanced energy manipulation or interdimensional travel. Another theory, it was not from our universe, but an interdimensional traveler operating under different physical laws. Or perhaps it was a new, unknown cosmological phenomenon. A topological defect, exotic matter, or a stable wormhole. Each theory is awe-inspiring and terrifying, forcing us to rethink our place in the cosmos. The mystery of A2025 E1 has opened a door to a future where our understanding must be rebuilt. This story ends not with an answer, but with a question. For centuries we asked, are we alone? Now, we must ask, what is reality itself? Are the laws of physics universal or just local rules? The vanishing object reminds us we're only beginning to scratch the surface of cosmic knowledge. This event will shape astronomy and physics for decades. Scientists will search for more anomalies, new theories will emerge, and our place in the universe will be redefined. The journey for answers continues, driven by our unyielding curiosity. The universe has spoken, and it's our privilege to listen. Thank you for joining us on Cosmic Discoveries. Until next time, keep looking up.